If you build, run, or defend systems for a living, you already know the truth. Security isn't one thing you do. It's a chain of decisions: design, build, deploy, operate, recover under real constraints. This 90-second trailer is for an audio course that treats cybersecurity like an operational discipline, not a buzzword. You'll learn how to set recovery objectives that match business reality, protect backups like high-value targets, and prove recoverability with restore tests and closure evidence. You'll hear how to harden the software lifecycle end-to-end, manage dependencies, and patch weak components fast, and turn pen test findings into measurable control improvements instead of one-time cleanup. You'll also get practical guidance for third-party risk, from due diligence through contract enforcement and continuous monitoring. And you'll build incident response readiness that holds up under pressure: clear roles, reliable playbooks, and communications discipline. Every episode is designed for busy professionals. Plain language, real-world decision points, and repeatable habits you can apply immediately. If you want security that actually survives production and incident reality, start here. Developed by baremetalcyber.com.